Everyone. I am your instructor, Armando de Avila, and I'm going to show you a couple of things. I actually had 3 classes today, and as a result of having those 3 classes, I was able to figure out a couple of things to say to the students who are scheduled to come in Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so this is actually a new thing for me. What I'm going to do is, rather than waiting to talk to everybody, I'm going to tell the Wednesday and Friday people what we talked about today on Monday. And so let me start with that. Number one, if you're looking at your screen here, go to your class. I'm just going to take this one. They're all the same. But go to your class. You're going to look for the Critical Approaches Part 1 link. Here it is under course content. See that? I did make an announcement about this yesterday. Click on that, and inside here you're going to see week 2 and 3. Now I'm going to make this video, and I'm going to put it either here in week 2, or I'm going to put this video, the link to it, right? It's going to be a YouTube video. I'm going to put the link here, or I'll put it here on this first page so that you can see it. Okay? Anyway, this is our week 2 and 3. You're going to see that there's some information in week 2. There's a couple of folders. You click on the actual folder in order to see the information. And it's still under construction, obviously, as you can see here. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about some things. Well, it's going to be either videos and or audio. Okay. Anyway, if you go back to week 3, in week 3, you can see your assignment. Your assignment is going to be this memo assignment, and a memo assignment, it's just asking you to write a different style of paper for me. It's not going to be an essay at all, nothing like that. If you want to know what a memo is, go to Google, check out Purdue OWL, which is the Purdue University Online Writing Center. Click on that, and then look at this magnifying glass over here on the right-hand side. Click on that, and type in memo writing, memo format. I'm going to do memo format, I think. And then you can click on this first hit, which will get you sample memo. See this? You're going to give me one of these. Now don't worry, it's not going to be the kind of thing where you need to have suddenly mastered the topic. It's going to take the form of notes. Anyway, I'm going to ask you to write a memo about, as you can see, 3 significant terms or processes or procedures or something having to do with your career fields. Okay? Whatever that happens to be, your career field is whatever it is: engineering, nursing, education, business. There's a couple of kinesiology folks, physical therapy, social work, whatever it is. I'm going to ask you to do some research between now and next week. You see, this is week 3, next week. Okay. And to be able to find some terms that are important. Okay, it could be a question. Okay, it could be a specific term. For example, in teaching, student retention is a specific term. Student retention is actually 2 things. Retention means keeping people in class, and not dropping out and so forth. And retention also means information retention, like trying to get you all to not only understand the the concepts and ideas we talk about, but also help you to remember them going forward. Okay, you're going to find 3 items like that, and I'm going to continue to talk about it. And you are going to write me that memo. You're going to send it to me through Blackboard, and it's going to look something like this. All right, that is your week 3 assignment. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about a couple of things, but I wanted to get you started with that. All right, so I should be in touch with you pretty soon.